In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trello templates from cards. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, and one of its powerful features is the ability to create templates from existing cards. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you often find yourself repeating the same tasks. So, grab your device, open your Trello account, and let's get started. First, you need to select the master card. Log into your account at Trello.com and navigate to the board that contains the card you would like to turn into a template. This card should be thoroughly filled out with everything you'd like to reuse. We're talking about descriptions, checklist items, labels, attachments, everything that makes that card useful for future tasks. Now, once you've located the card you want to use, click on it to open its detailed view. Here's your chance to double-check that all the information you want to replicate is in there. It's a good idea to fill it out completely before moving on to the next steps. Once you're satisfied with the card, it's time to convert it into a template. Head over to the top right corner of the card window. You'll see 3 dots, also known as the Options menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. You'll see several choices drop down. Look for the option labeled Make Template and select it. When you choose this option, a template badge will appear on your card. This means congratulations, you've successfully turned your card into a reusable template. Your standard task card is now primed and ready for future use. Now that you have your template set up, it's time to use it. To create a new card using this structure, navigate back to your board and look for the Create from Template button. When you click on that, Trello will present you with a list of all your templates, including the one you just created. Select your template from the list. You'll then get to choose which list you want the new card to appear in. Once you make your selection, Trello will work its magic and generate a fresh card with all the details you set in the template. This means all your descriptions, checklists, labels, and any other elements you included will be perfectly replicated. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Trello template from a card and used it to generate a new task. This can make your workflow or project management a whole lot easier, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks and need consistency in your boards. Remember, having templates allows you to focus more on the content rather than recreating the structure every time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy organizing with Trello, and I'll see you in the next video.